National Tribal Film Festival cum State Tribal Carnival 2025 began today at the City Convention Center, Imphal. It is being organized by the Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills and the Tribal Research Institute, TRI, and sponsored by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The inaugural function was attended by Manipur Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal, Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Commissioner T. Pamay, Tourism and IPR Secretary Hungyo Washung, Guru Ruben Mangshava, Kabui Folk Artist Aluna Kabuini, and MSFDS Secretary Sanju Bachaspati Mayum. Addressing the gathering, Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goyal highlighted the significance of the festival, noting that it was being held nationwide ahead of the 150th birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda from 1 to 15 November. He expressed confidence that the event will bring together various tribal filmmakers and promote tribal cinema and culture.
Tribal Frames Manipur is more than a film festival. It is a celebration of voices, visions and values. It provides a powerful platform for tribal filmmakers to share their stories, showcase their creativity and engage in meaningful dialogue on the preservation of indigenous culture and identity. I am delighted to learn that 23 tribal films from 9 states will be screened and that 16 tribal film directors along with filmmakers, forums and actors from Manipur are participating in this remarkable cultural convergence. Through films, discussions and workshops, the festival will explore themes of cultural preservation, youth empowerment and the deep connection between nature and tribal life.